Turmeric is a popular spice that has been used in cooking and medicine for thousands of years. It is a bright yellow spice derived from the root of the turmeric plant, which is native to Southeast Asia. Today, turmeric is widely used as a key ingredient in many dishes, including curries and soups, as well as in dietary supplements and herbal remedies. The reason for its popularity is its numerous health benefits, which are believed to come from the active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. One of the most important health benefits of turmeric is its antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help to protect the body against damage caused by harmful molecules known as free radicals. Free radicals are produced by the body as a result of normal cellular processes, and can also come from environmental sources such as pollution and radiation. Over time, the accumulation of free radicals can lead to oxidative stress and contribute to the development of various chronic diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. By neutralizing free radicals, antioxidants like curcumin can help to reduce the risk of these conditions. Another benefit of turmeric is its anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is a natural response of the body to injury or infection. Chronic inflammation has been linked to conditions such as arthritis, asthma, and cancer, as well as heart disease and other cardiovascular problems. Curcumin has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects and may help to reduce the risk of these conditions by reducing chronic inflammation. Turmeric is also believed to have potential benefits for brain health. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects of turmeric may help to protect the brain against damage and reduce the risk of conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. Some studies have also suggested that turmeric may have neuroprotective effects, meaning it may help to protect the brain against damage and promote brain health. In addition to its general health benefits, turmeric may also have specific benefits for digestive health. Curcumin has been shown to have antispasmodic effects, meaning it may help to relieve cramps and other symptoms of digestive discomfort. It may also help to reduce inflammation in the digestive tract and improve gut health, which can be beneficial for people with conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome and inflammatory bowel disease. Turmeric has also been shown to have benefits for skin health. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin may help to protect the skin against damage and reduce the risk of skin problems such as acne and eczema. Some studies have also suggested that turmeric may help to improve the appearance of aging skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. To cultivate turmeric, the plant should be grown in well-draining soil in a sunny location, with a temperature range of 68 to 86 degrees. The soil should be rich in organic matter. The rhizomes should be soaked in water for a few hours to encourage sprouting. The rhizomes can then be planted about 1 inch deep in the soil, with 4 to 6 inches of space between each plant. Once the turmeric plants are established, they require regular watering to keep the soil consistently moist. During the growing season, the plants should be fertilized every 3 to 4 weeks with a balanced fertilizer. Turmeric is a slow-growing plant and takes about 7 to 10 months to reach maturity. Once the leaves of the plant start to yellow and die back, the rhizomes can be harvested. After harvesting, the rhizomes should be cleaned and dried in the sun for several days. Once dry, the outer layer of the rhizome can be removed, revealing the yellow inner flesh, which is the part of the plant that is used for cooking and medicinal purposes. In conclusion, turmeric is a spice with numerous health benefits, including its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, its potential to protect against various chronic diseases, its benefits for brain and digestive health, and its benefits for skin health. If you're looking to incorporate more turmeric into your diet, try adding it to soups, stews, curries, smoothies, or consider taking a turmeric supplement. Always speak with your doctor before starting a new supplement regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more content. It helps us out and encourages us to keep creating more videos like this one. Until the next video, we hope you have a healthy and happy day.